So here we are on the Steam Deck running SteamOS, where I've installed the same version of Blender that I did for Windows, just installed Blender from the market. And after popping that open, we are now ready to rock. So I'm going to just hide these other objects as I always do, and we'll have to scroll and open the preferences because the resolution is different, and we'll just go to add-ons and install. And Z, home, deck, desktop is where I have these zips downloaded because I downloaded them in desktop mode using the web browser. And here we have Boxcutter, which we'll go ahead and enable, and we'll also install HardOps, and we'll enable that as well. Always takes a moment, but after this we will basically be good to go. So when it comes to getting out of the preferences window, you have to use the SteamOS itself to basically use the switcher to close the window. It's kind of weird, but you just get used to it. I believe the second one is the console. I don't want to close that one. But now we are ready to rock and roll. So I'm just going to enable Boxcutter, go in, do a little bit of basic configuration for HardOps just to make it optimal the way that I like, and then we are ready to get in there and begin cutting. So whenever it comes to the performance of actually modeling on the Steam Deck, it's actually not that bad. I find myself modeling on it all the time because it's right in front of me and it's quite convenient. However, my laptop also looks at me modeling on the Steam Deck and it's like, hey, what are you doing? So here you see me just testing a little bit of Boxcutter, getting in here and just doing my typical workflows of adding bevels, sliding them up and down the stack to test the various functions of HardOps, mirroring, using a little bit of face extract, and just getting started on a itty bitty handheld. So really the experience can be pretty surreal, but this is it in a nutshell that you're seeing happen on screen right now. So really that is it.